Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to custom repaint the McFarlane Toys Heatwave X Batman. Okay, first step is to apply flat black primer. So ito na yung status niya. Meron na tayong adhesive surface so that our paints will stick to the surface. And then we are going to use a steel and gunmetal paint for the weathering technique. O dry brushing process yung ginagamit natin for the brush application. Or rather paint application. And same lang din dito sa body ni Batman. Yung body ni Batman dito ang ginagamit natin, Batman DC Rebirth. Okay, next step is to use Hero Paints Water-Based Primer Matte White para naman din sa skull. Okay, so paint natin yung chest armor. So dry brushing technique lang din. And then you're also going to paint yung mga tips ng gun para pag nagpahid tayo ng fluorescent, mas bright yung fluorescent green and fluorescent yellow. Yan. So ito na yung next step, fluorescent green. Apply na natin dun sa mga glowing parts. Kasi pag black yung base nyo, i-absorb lang ng black yung green eh. Yan. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sponsoring this video. Lagi nila tayong pinapadala ng mga bagong paints para sa mga custom repainted na mga projects natin. And then next, water-based acrylic primer black para naman dun sa eyes and nose and teeth ng skull sa chest armor. Next step, we're going to use Dwarven Rich Gold para naman sa mga gold areas like belt and bottom sa iba pang armor panels. Usually yung sa shoulders, sa hips, and sa shin. Tapos yung last, mag-apply tayo ng Bosni number 191 flat clear for top coat para maprotektahan yung paint job na ginawa natin. And there you have it mga momser. Tapos na ang ating Batman X Heatwave Custom. Customize na rin natin yung Heatwave body Batman body with the Heatwave head. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.